Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, the Right, the Honorable Speaker of the State House of Assembly, members of the National Assembly and State Assemblies that are here, the gubernatorial candidates ably presented by his deputy, candidates of our party for the forthcoming general election, Your Majesty, Ezeparabici, and members of your council, leaders of Port Harcourt local government, our dear women, our dear youths, gentlemen and the press, ladies and gentlemen. Our Majesty, let me, to the glory of God, thank God that today, 23rd of February 2023, we are here again in Remisi land, what they popularly call Azikwe Iloabuchi. Sometimes in July last year, we awarded this road and the flyover 11 and 12 the same day. And we said to Julius Berger that this road must be commissioned in 6 months' time. They should have finished. I know when we came here for the flag off, this road was flagged off by former governor of Ondo State, Olusegun Mimiko. So many people were doubting how easy that this project will be completed within the time for work given. I know I pleaded with the residents here and those who carry out economic activities here that if they give Julius Berger the support, I know in no short time we will come here and commission this project. Let me commend the communities here, the youth, for giving them the support to complete this project on time. And that's why we are here today. I also want to say it's on record that we are not owing a dime as far as this project is concerned. We have finished paying. We have also finished paying for the flyover 11 and flyover 12. We have finished paying. I believe by the grace of God, by the ending of March, we would have commissioned the flyover 12, and by April, we will have commissioned flyover 11. My dear brothers and sisters, what is important is when you have an opportunity, when the people who give their confidence trust you, you must also make them happy. How do you make them happy? By making sure that you provide them with things that will change the environment, with things that better their life, and with things that improve economic activities in their area. I'm sure the people of this area will continue to remember. If I were you, I would have taken the old picture of this Iloabuchi road, put it in your house, and take the new one, put it in your house. When you wake up, you look at it, what it was and what it is now. I have told the people of Rivers State, for what Rivers State has given me, I owe them all in my life to continue to protect your interests. I'm not going to sell Rivers State to anybody for a pot of porridge. I'm not going to do that. And that is why, if I tell you this is the right place, no, it is the right place. I'm not going to deceive you. I'm not one of those leaders who are running around for their personal pocket. What I've asked anybody who cares to know, whatever position you find yourself, if you find yourself in National Assembly, if you find yourself in State Assembly, ask yourself question, what did I bring back home? What did I give to my people that they will remember me? As I speak to you, when I was chairman of Obiabo local government, my communities were happy that they had a son. When I was chief of staff, my people were happy that I was chief of staff. When I was minister, I made my impact known in this country and in this state. Today, as governor, you can attest to the fact there's no local government, no community in this state I have not touched. So, I'm a typical, unrepentable Nwehoroha. So, I'm not going to be the one that will deceive our people. There's nobody in this country today that will intimidate me not to say anything. That person is not born yet. And so, we have to be careful with some of our so-called brothers and leaders who what they do know is just for their own personal pocket and their children. Be careful of those who will tell you to come and do something that you know is not for the interest of our people. I've listened to people on radio talking about the Nwehoroha. They should be careful. I challenge them, let them come and debate with me. Who recognizes the Nwehoroha more? I challenge them. It is not when the nation comes, you begin to go and tell lies to your people. All the contracts that we are giving, how many times have you called your people to say, I'm the contract, contract, Jadi Kone, where was in Napa? We cannot not fly over the world. The hijacker, I'm going to my cameras coming, or criminals, he can never that time. Nobody would have been enjoying that by. I'll make out. You can see what is happening in Nigeria. Can I have a cruise back and go, Buma? How about Kurubudu? I'm not going to them. I'm like a Kablabakuru. Jawule, Yakauru, Abla. So, Abu, Ibiri, Cambio. So, let nobody deceive you. Nkanam Mboka and Chikere, Nkanam Bolwali, should go and talk to our people. They won't tell you. Pay me vote, pay banana Nwehoroha. My black propagandist. As I mentioned, but if you actually vote to River State, you can have River State here. So, you go to Ghana around because also the stake. I want to like our number. Murubana government was maybe not paga. Mandega sa Abuja. Agwabe as a constituency project. Abla. Ndake Trokopa. So, no yabla. I am early. Mbrubaba Botunano, Habiliseku. Yeah. So, Ndamasanam Nderebisi. I don't know before now. The military government may approve. Honorable who told me is a Rebisi Palace. Since that time, also government here, but not Canada today. May lay the foundation of that palace. As far as concerned, all Rebisi were looking. So, no personal way, almost so, Maria said, also I made a mistake on Saturday, during the 25th of this month, when they kill it. But Saturday, when they kill it, young black tea and iron no concert. Go voters card, ishini pillow. I'm not here no pupil. I don't wear by 7 o'clock now. Say, people can work at gossip very well. I'm not.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.